Hello guys, so today on the quest of making one video a day, give it a like and subscribe and all that shit, we are going to go into resources. So I have in my head a lot of information on stuff and things that could be cool to have in your hobby arsenal. I don't say these are necessary products or anything like that, but hey, they are cool. And on Twitter actually today there was a guy asking for my old citadel paint goblin color was going out. He has used his last pot. He is in a scramble. Well, Coat'dArms make the range of paints that Citadel used back in the 90s and 80s. And here you have the page for them, and you can go into the fantasy range and you will find your goodies. And here Goblin Green is for £2.30. So here you go. There is a link below if you need to stockpile your old paints from the Citadel range. And as a professional, I'm actually going to try to show you. So I'm talking about this one, the hexagon, and the ones before, the circle one. They are the old ones, and many swear by this, and they are not bad, I think. more interesting stuff here. I'm going to just sneak peek a little bit. Okay, anyways, back to the other one. Today, like just a few hours ago, GreenStuffWorld on Facebook announced this product here. It is a conductive paint. So if you are messing around with LED lights, stuff like that, you have now conductive paint, which by the commercial here is, you can paint your what's it called in English, your electric thingy. Yeah, I'm good with words. And yeah, it seems interesting. And we have one review, and the review says nothing. Okay. But yeah, acrylic conductive paint with silver. So there we go. Give it a try if you are messing around with LED, I think. It's the first time I heard of it, but probably there are other products like this. They have a lot of stuff. They are producing interesting stuff on here. I'm not going to go in here in depths, but they have a lot of stuff. So check out GreenStuffWorld. They have a lot of what do you want to call it, pushing the edges of the hobby when it comes to things you can put on your minis and stuff like that. And here you have Scibour Miniatures, and here you have a lot of like really cool alternate sci-fi and fantasy miniatures, and you have them in different scales, and you have a basing, you have 15 millimeters, you have Cthulhu, the ones are Muskul's army. Here you go. Here are the evil chaos dwarfs in the imagination from Scibour, and instead of they are on this bull senator, you have this evil snail, and they are more pestilence. They are more, let me say it straight, they are more nurgly than corny in the reimagination here on Scibour. And it's if you want a unique look on your Chaos Dwarf, if you're playing Chaos Dwarf, if that isn't unique enough, here you go, more unique, Snowflake Syndrome Central. But yeah, I really like how they look, and I can go and see how some of the sci-fi miniatures are looking. I must say, Scibour Miniatures, they are, when they paint their minis, they look really amazing too. They are, I love them. So, alright, that was a little dip in the ocean of knowledge provided by the Dicey. Alright, see you tomorrow. Hope see you then, okay? Yeah.